Hello. Today I'm gonna explain to you how to make a lock in the metal workshop using little to no welding. This is how it's gonna look like. So this is what you're gonna need: metal rod, a piece of metal. We're gonna need bolts also later, and nuts.
Think about it.
Yeah. You're gonna mark the place where you're gonna drill and cut the metal. There you can see me marking the points where I'm gonna drill. It's good to have protection when you're doing these kinds of things. So just gonna saw this off there like that. Yeah. Okay. Then you got your two pieces that will make up the base of the lock.
Never.
Now we're gonna hit these points to make it easier to drill through the metal. Drilling through metal is pretty hard, so it's good to use some juice on it to make it smoother.
Damn.
Here I'm marking the lock itself, where I'm gonna cut it off. You just manually bend it, or you can use something. I just did it with my hands. This is our metal rod. We're gonna cut it to a good size so that it's not poking out too much. You can just see for yourself. Here we got a little nut. Just cut that off. Then you cut off this part of the lock. Here this is where the lock is gonna slide in. So I'm cutting to the hole I made.
You son of a...
We're gonna do that twice. Yep. Just making it nice and smooth, get all the ugly parts off. Yep. We're gonna make this round now so that it turns properly without clipping. Okay, here you see I drilled a little hole into it at the end. Now I'm gonna weld that piece of the rod and the nut to the lock. Make sure you don't use nuts or bolts that are galvanized. Now we're gonna assemble all the parts. Here you see, got your little lock, and you can, through the holes, you can put it on a door or a locker or whatever you wish. I hope this was helpful, and enjoy your lock.